Alright, we locked the keys in the car and the doors are very much locked. We have no way of getting in. There are the keys. Now we have to try and break into the car or pray someone comes and gets us and unlocks the door for us. That's what's happening. This is fucked. Bro, open the door. Monkey, open the door. Austin, we have to go.
We're whipping it. We made it into Canada.
We made it across the border. We're gonna make this fucking ferry. I am determined. Okay, we made it to the ferry on time, and we're now in line. We just have to wait and get on the ferry.
Mama!
What did he say?
All right. To Fucker Island we are.
See, Captain.
Everybody that just... Look at that big ass. Fucker Island, here we go. Yeah, it's right there. Some of us didn't make it here. Better to start. You know, it might be. Oh. I just think you're not gonna go.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna go.
Alright, count me down then.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's fine. It looks just fine.
Is it straight?
Boy, fly, boy.
How do
My flight's not gonna fall on.
It's all right. It's all right. They'll just float up.
I can't swim with these shit going.
relax?
My foot's about to cramp.
It's standable.
I can't swim with these on.
Back stroking.
Soren's just off the. Soren's literally off a perk.
Oh shit.
I made her do that, I'm not gonna lie.
You're a bitch.
I made her run that way, I'm like, so come on, run at you.
Bro, I jumped like this fucking high.
Did you see that?
I caught that on video. The jump was fucking insane. Oh shit.
You really hit this, you hit the... You did, and from my point of view, you literally hit this.
Oh shit, Oscar. I forgot we can't be like anywhere near each other. We're genuinely just gonna run into each other. No, stay away from me.
Pause this.
Fam. Don't push me!
Oh yeah.
We're going past the Bass Pro Shops.
Fucking massive Bass Pro Shops.
And so now,
Going to Bass Pro Shops, time to start road waxing.
yeah.
It's just how it is.
Real talk, real talk. God damn.
Holy fuck. Oh my god. Fuck, why did we go there?
The D in Bass Pro and over outdoor world. It's a whole world in there, Soren. Why aren't we in there, bro?
I want to go home. Bass Pro Shops is home.
Bass Pro, real talk. Yeah, Bass Pro Shops ain't home. You start road maxing.
I'm about to hang myself at Bass Pro Shops. Where the fuck am I going?
Where are we going? Where are we going? We're in the maze, bro. Everything leads back to Bass Pro Shops. Everything leads to outdoor world, bro. We're going back to the mall, apparently.
Fucking playing with me. How do we get out of here?
We
There's
don't.
only one option.
Bass Pro.
Bass Pro.
Do not enter. Stop.
No left.
Do not enter. How? How do we not go out there? Why?
What? Where the
Okay, so
fuck do we leave? Thought I'd do 60 in the parking lot.
Hit that.
No, it's actually so illegal. It's actually so illegal.
Why are we in 2 lanes, bro?
What are you gonna do about it?
Look at this fucking Kremlin, bro. This fucking Kremlin.